Facebook Ads Data to Google Sheets tutorial. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at how we can actually export our Facebook Ads data directly to Google Sheets and have everything in one place. So we're going to need a tool to do this additionally, and that tool is called Power My Analytics. Now there are a few other tools that do the exact same thing, but today we're using Power My Analytics. So once you have created an account, you can go ahead and you will see this page over here, and this is basically where it all happens. So going over to the left hand side, you've got your toolbar, and the first thing you want to do is go over to the Google Sheets and tap on that. Now up at the top over here, you will see that there is a little marker and it says, do you want to enable the integration, and you have to click confirm. So once this is active, right, you can go down again to the left hand side of your screen to the toolbar, and you will see sources. So once you tap on sources, you will now have to add a data source. So as you can see down over here, it will show you all of the data sources that you have. So you can now tap on the new data source over here, and once you tap on that, you can connect any one of these accounts. Today we're having a look at the Facebook and Instagram, and once you tap on that, you will have to log into your Facebook account, and be sure that you are logging into the correct account if you have more than one account. So on this page over here, what you're going to do is you're just going to hit the X and you're going to close that out. So now what you need to do is you need to jump over to Google Sheets. Now I've opened a Google Sheets tab, and we are going to start a new sheet over here, and we can name that whatever we want to. So we can say Facebook Ads Data, and you can now select where you want to start inputting your data. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to extensions, and we want to tap on add-ons, and then we want to tap on get add-ons, and that looks like that over there. Once you have done that, you can now look for Power My Analytics, and what we can do is we can just tap on the search bar at the top over here, and we can say Power My Analytics, and it comes up as a result or as a suggestion, and you can see right over here that this is the Power My Analytics. Now what you're going to need to do is you're going to add this or install this as an extension, and we're going to just hit install here, and again you will get a pop-up, so it'll ask you which account you want to use to connect these two platforms, and then all you have to tap on there is allow. I think this is pretty standard, and once you have integrated these apps, we can now start to move data from one place to another. So this is just confirming now that it is installed, and that is great. We can just close that, and we're going to refresh this page. So now we can go into extensions again right at the top of your toolbar, and we can go down to Power My Analytics, and on the right hand side, the drop down menu, it'll give you the option to tap on log in. Now this is the part where you need to log into your Power My Analytics account through your Google Sheets account, so that you can confirm that all these accounts belong to you and you have access and permission to all of the accounts as well as all the data on the accounts. Now you can just tap OK. You are successfully logged in, and everything now is actually set up and integrated. We're going to go back onto our Power My Analytics page, and now you can see that if you tap on extensions and you go down to Power My Analytics, you will see a show sidebar tab over there, and this is how you actually import all the data from your Facebook ads to your data sheet on the Google Sheet. So on the right hand side here, you can see that it is now opening a sidebar, and you can now just tap on this add report, and you can then go on down, look for your Facebook ads tab and create that. Now right over here you can add in the details as to which account it's coming from, and you can click here to add additional accounts. And as you go down, you can start to configure all of the data over here. So we're going to tap on the data account, and then it'll give you the opportunity to configure all of this. So all of these defaults are pretty decent settings. However, you can change the action attribution settings, the campaign settings, your currency. You can set your configuration and all of the rest of these settings. And then as you go down, you will also be able to define your date range, your fields that you want in your data, and then you can also set a filter. And then there are some additional options that you can actually add in terms of what sort of data you want to export. So once you've edited all of these details over here on the right hand side, if you're unfamiliar with anything, there are some additional information tabs next to each one of them. Now once you're done with that, you can tap on create report over here. Now what you will see here is not a lot of data, because this ad is relatively new. In actual fact, it was created today, and I did this just for the purpose of showing you how to import this ad data from Facebook all the way to Google Sheets. But basically this is where you will actually find all your data, and then from here basically what you're going to do is you can analyze this data, and you can edit the data, and you can also move it around and set it the way that you want to set it, so that you can understand it better. It's easy to read and easy to understand. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Cheers for now.